Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's see which stocks we'll be trading tomorrow. So the first stock is Bajaj Finance. This is a little unconventional stock pick this time. Reason being, it has been in a good down move, yes, but this I will prefer to buy in tomorrow's session, at least for first few minutes. Reason, if you see, there was a good pullback at the end of the market, and then one more reason is that it has closed above 3,300 level. Also, here the level has to, this is the first time it is coming on sell, so I at least expect this 20 or 30 points of move on the upside, and then it might maybe come down. So the major chances which I am thinking is for this it will be a buy tomorrow. I will provide the levels for this in Telegram. Please go and check that our Telegram channel. Next is Bharti Airtel. If you see, it has been a good down move, and then it has made a huge candle, this big candle, and then it has made this very inside candle type pattern. So for tomorrow I will prefer this to sell if it crosses this level of 68 or 67. I will provide the levels tomorrow, but this will be my level for tomorrow. And also, if you see, it has, okay, so for tomorrow I'll prefer this to sell. If you see Concor, now this is also for a sell. So it has made a good pattern. If you see, after this good fall, it recovered, tried to recover, came back to the same level, again tried to recover, again it has came back to the same level. So this kind of is forming a pattern of cup and handle. So this, if it breaks, then it will give a good move. Even in 1 hour time frame, it seems to form a similar kind of pattern. If you see this cup and then there's a handle. So in tomorrow's session, I will prefer this to sell. Next stock is Jubilant Food. Yes, this is also similar to Bajaj Finance. Now the reason is little different here. If you see this level, it was resisting from long time to break. Once it has broke, it went up, and then now it has come back first time. After breaking it, again it has bounced back to that level. So chances are that in tomorrow's session it might move little up, and then maybe if it is coming down, that is okay. But in tomorrow's first session, what I will expect is it will go down. So this will be a buy pick for me. Next stock is TCS. TCS, yes, if you see, it has made a good up move, consolidated here, again a breakout. Now it has closed about 2,500 level, and it has closed successfully, I mean way more above it. So in tomorrow's session, what I'll expect this to give this continuation move and then move further. So in tomorrow's session, I will prefer this to buy. Now, what is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty? This will be very crucial. So just before we go on this analysis, based on yesterday's analysis, what I told, if it breaks this, only then I will trade. Until then I will not trade. Once this low was broken, I had taken a trade and we made a good profit. Everyone in the live trading batch and also the students batch, everyone made a good profit. I myself made around 50 to 60,000 profit. And then now what is my view? If you see, after this big candle, it has been, now from here it was continuously on sell. Even in Bank Nifty, a big sell from this 22,400 level. So see, the view should be, if the world is towards sell, you should at least try to accumulate it. I mean, what we have learned from the grades. But one thing is, market cannot move in one direction for a long time. I had told that after breaking this trend line, it will go down. And one more thing which we have to notice, tomorrow, or sorry, day after tomorrow, we have this monthly expiry. So as I told yesterday, what we were expecting, a small candle here. But at this level, what I'm expecting now is a small candle here. Might be we form a small candle here. The range will be, I'll show you the range. The range will be somewhere nearby of 300 to 11,300. Yes, I'll keep this 11,300 to 11,100 range maximum. If it is volatile also, it has to be in this range for me at least. Tomorrow, what I'm expecting is I'll expect a SL day. So I'll not have a huge quantity, or maybe I won't trade tomorrow because market has been in a good move. Until unless there is a news, now it will not fall, at least tomorrow session. So it might hold. Tomorrow there might be little profit booking because day after tomorrow is the expiry. So people might book their positions, and then this might form a small green candle or something like this. Similar view on Bank Nifty. If you see, okay, before we go to Bank Nifty, now in Nifty, if you see, what will be the levels to trade if in case it breaks. So what my expectation is, if it breaks this 11,070, today's low is 11,080, but what my resistance or support level is 11,070 and then 11,030. Okay, so if these two levels are broke, only 11,880 will be the next level, and then after that we can have an expectation that it might directly go to 11,500. There might be a sharp fall. So the expectation is like this, but at least for in tomorrow's market, I am expecting a halt, at least in tomorrow's market. Now, similar view on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you see all the stocks, they are on this same level. Yes, it has been tested multiple times on same levels, but the chances are that it might not break in one stretch because it has been a good down run. So what might happen, again a small candle here, and if it breaks from here, then we might expect it to go to 20,000 or even 19,500, something like that. So chances are that it might even go to 19,000. So we'll wait in tomorrow's session. In all the stocks are at this level, so they might form a similar small candle like this, and then if there is a break, it will be very profitable for tomorrow. That's it, guys, for today. Please do like, subscribe, and share the channel so that everyone learns and everyone earns. Thanks a lot.